It's moving day. No. No. Appliance. Secondly. Why?
I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me.
I was really going to like sit down and do like a cute video. I was gonna do my makeup a little bit. I was gonna do my hair. I did my hair and now I got this hat on. This is impromptu. Hey. Hey guys. I'm super irritated because I already filmed this. Let me tell you something. I like to do whenever I feel good, whenever I feel like talking to the camera, I pick up the camera. That's it. It don't matter what else is going on. It don't matter that my house is a mess. It don't matter that I'm watching something on TV. It don't matter that it's not good lighting. When I have to just pick up my camera and film, when I have the feeling of filming. I was going to do this whole cute little thing where I look cute, set up the camera up, turn on some, get some natural light going, have my makeup a little done, a little sun, have my hair a little sun, looking cute. Did I do that? No. Do I want to get this video up today? Yeah, I do. So I'm just going to come on here just how I am. In a winter hat and in a Biggie Smalls hoodie. Bare face, no lashes. It's the realness. Eating pizza and drinking a Corona. That's what I do. This is what I do. I'm not going to apologize for it. Hold on. Well, I am here to introduce my new series here on the great YouTube streets. That was lame. I'm here to introduce a new series here on this channel. It's called HonestlyErica TV, HETV, not to be confused with HGTV. I really thought that this was clever when I came up with this HETV thing, and this was like over a year ago. But we gonna stay with it. HonestlyErica TV. Boom! I got a whole logo and everything. I don't even got a logo for Honestly Erica. I digress. Y'all told me I need to be nicer to myself, and I am really trying. Yes, this is a new series on my channel. If you don't know, I recently bought a house on my own with my own money in my own name, and it's a huge deal. I'm not going like when I think about that, like I bought a home by myself. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. And in these videos, you will see lots of DIYs, lots of home renovation projects, lots of cleaning, lots of organizing, lots of re-cleaning and reorganizing. You're gonna see a lot of DIYs, a lot of DIYs, because I ain't got the money. I'm not supposed to talk about money. You're gonna see a lot of DIYs because I'm on a budget. So yeah, that's what you should expect from me in these videos. I'm really excited about this series. I have filmed so many videos, and not only has my house changed drastically in the year and a half that I've been here, but I've changed drastically. Like I could see it, like my hair, my everything, like everything. So it's really kind of fun and funny to see 2 years later. Thank you guys for sticking around, checking out my new content. I really appreciate it. I understand that some of y'all are used to me doing hair, and I will do hair stuff here and there. I have a couple videos that I have filmed, so you can expect some hair content. It's just not going to be it's not going to be the theme of my channel. It's going to be more of a lifestyle vlogging channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Shoot, I should send y'all over to my Instagram somehow. like I did last time. What should I say? You know what? Just follow me on Instagram. Come on. It's Honestly Erica on Instagram. I don't post pictures very often, but I am in my stories a lot often. And I get on there and I just talk and I say and I post ridiculous things. That's really where I'm the most active. So follow me on Instagram at HonestlyErica and enjoy the new home series that I have coming up. I'm trying to get on the schedule, y'all. I would love to be on the schedule, but I can't say that right now because I know me. If this pops up in your feed and you've never seen me before, my name is Erica. Go ahead, subscribe, turn on those the bell, the thing, and get your life with me. Deuces. HGTV, you know, like HGTV. See, I'm clever. To a home. Damn it, this TV is on. I'm gonna have to film this all over again.